So guys, it's been long time since I drove my car. So today I am happy that I have got an opportunity to drive my car. Whenever dad gets time, he mostly drives here. That's why this car is here. So dad, ये कार में कुछ प्रॉब्लम वगैरह है अभी?
थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग में कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम होता है।
ओके,
तो थोड़ा देख लेते हैं, बैटरी का कहीं नट ढीला होगा
अच्छा
तो टाइट कर देते हैं।
चलिए आइए। तो ओके,
बैटरी का
यहाँ मतलब यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ, ये
कैमरा पर्सन प्लीज फोकस हियर। ओके, फ्रॉम दिस साइड। Where are you, cameraman? Come this side. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yes, there is little problem. There is little problem. Now, again, I'm going to turn. Just turn this key. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Can you see one signal here? The tower is only one. Can you see the tower? This tower is only one. It indicates that I must refuel. So in order to get some petrol, I need to go to the petrol pump. So let's go. Petrol pump chale dad? Chaliye. I must fasten the belt. It is very important. Okay. See, once you know driving, I don't think you will forget any time. Yeah, doesn't matter you drive after 6 months or 1 year, you can't forget driving. So it's been long time I haven't driven this car, maybe 8 months, and after 8 months I am driving and I don't find any problem. I'm able to drive easily. Yes, lovely. But we cannot turn on the AC since we have less fuel. Let's go. Woo! Superb. My God, after a long time, guys. Now I have got this chance to drive the car. Ooh, ooh. So guys, as you can see in the village area, look at this child. Even children are very laborious here. Yeah, and they're very strong. I have seen they're very strong. Children are stronger than the children in the city.
कोई भी देवस्थान से क्रॉस करने पर
Okay,
बाजा जरूर बजाना चाहिए,
अच्छा हॉन्क करना चाहिए।
हॉर्न करना चाहिए।
Okay,
ये नमस्ते हुआ भगवान का, देवता का।
so guys, as you can see, let me close it. So, Dad is saying that if you pass by
देवस्थान
Devasthan, means God's place, means it could be temple or it could be a tree which is worshipped. So you have to honk. It is a kind of greeting to that God.
कौन सा तार था जोड़ दिया?
So guys, here the petrol pump.
एसी पर लगा।
Yes. Okay, okay. $510 का डाल। ठीक।
कैसे लीटर है?
106 रुपये 14 पैसे।
So guys, the rate of petrol is 106 rupees 14 पैसा. My God.
कुछ घटा है तब इतना है।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. So guys, now I have to get my beard trimmed. So let's go in search of any barber shop. यही कहीं था ना?
सैलून है।
हाँ है।
किधर?
अच्छा,
वो नीचे में तो रूम है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ओके.
वही बगल
एक नंबर में हो जाएगा ना ट्रिम. So guys, as you can see that I have come to this salon, and there is one barber here, and you can see this. It's quite desi barber shop, I would say. Look at the chairs. दो Though it looks like this, yet this person has got the machine which I require. So I have to go for trimming. So I'm just waiting for my turn. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, trimming is done. Though I am not 100% satisfied with it yet, it is okay. कितना देना भैया? मुझाने वाला जो रेट है बताइए ना भाई. ये लीजिए. फिर अगले साल मुलाकात होगी. ठीक है. चलिए. Okay. So guys, now I have to withdraw some money. After that, we'll go back to our home, and from there I have to go to my sister's home, which is in Sonpur. So let's go, guys. So guys, from here we are going to my sister's house, which is in Sonpur. Okay, and this is my village. So now we have to go to Sonpur. Okay, Dad, मिलते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, and I have to take my bags also. So now guys, we are going to my sister's house. Okay, I will let you know why we are going to my sister's house. Okay, that is secret. I'll let you know soon. So everybody is there. I must introduce you. Come here, everyone. Let me introduce. So you already know he is my father. Okay, she is my elder sister. Okay, she is on which number? on fifth number. Okay, she is on fifth number. She is my sister. Okay, and she is my wife, Khushbu Singh. Sixth number? Arey, हाँ, sorry. Sixth number. Sixth number. Okay. First number. Okay, first number and sixth number. Fine. Yes, I just forgot. I have 6 sisters actually. Yeah. Yeah. The first sister and last sister are going. Fine, guys. So I have to put all the bags into the cars. I'm saying cars because I will put some bags into my car, and my sister has also sent her car, Scorpio. So I'll put some bags into that car also. Okay, चाचा जी फिर आना ही है तो. So guys, as you can see, this car has been sent by my sister and my car is right there. So I'm going to put my bag into my car. It's on, na? Okay, that's fine. Okay, come. Come on, Akshat.
You want this?
Yes. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so now we are going to our sister's home, which is in Sonpur, and reaching there I'll talk to you guys. Okay, so stay connected. Thank you guys. Thank you. So guys, I have reached my sister's house. As you can see, I'm going to park my car. I must park my car here. Okay, and another car is behind my car. Okay, here we go. Let me come out. Fine, guys. Oh God, yeah. Fine, guys. So I'm here. Akshat, come out. Okay. Come fast. Very good. Good boy. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to meet my sister. She must be waiting for me. Come inside. And all the people have come. You can see my sisters are there. My wife is there. Okay. Fine. Now, cameraman, follow me here. Let's go to meet my another sister. So, she's my niece. Okay. Come. Where is my sister? Okay, she is not here. She is not here. Where is she? खुश रहिए. She is not here. Where are you? She is not here. कोई नहीं है कमरे में. कोई नहीं. खुश रहिए. कोई नहीं है कमरे में. Yeah, so guys, I came here, but my sister has gone to her beauty parlor, and now I'm telling you why I have come to my sister's house with lots of bags and all. So the main reason is that I can introduce you to my niece. She is my niece, Kajol Singh, and she is going to get married. So that's why we have come here. So how are you feeling, Kajol?
I'm so nervous.
So nervous.
I don't know what to say.
Okay, fine. So guys, I will end my blog here. You have already seen my sister. You have already seen the beauty parlor as well. So I'm going to end my blog over here, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 3rd. Okay. Chale guys. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay connected. Thank you. Thank you. See, everybody is here, right here. You can see everybody is right here. See the people sitting here, and she is my elder sister sitting here. Everybody is here. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Bye.